question number 8. In the figure given below, angle B is equal to 90 degree. In this triangle, this angle B is 90 and BAC, this lower angle is 45 degree, and AB is given 50 meter, angle CAD is 15 degree. This angle CAD means this smaller angle is 15 degree. So by using all these given conditions, you have to find x and y. You have to find the value of x and y. So in this triangle, we have two right angle triangle. One is CBA, another is DBA. For triangle CBA, this is the value of theta. This is perpendicular, this is base, and for this triangle DBA, okay, this is your theta, total 15 plus 45, 60. 60 is the value of theta, and perpendicular is y plus x, base is 50. So first you have to study this diagram, okay, you have to try to understand the diagram. So in triangle CBA, what we have to find? We have to find the value of x, perpendicular, base is given. So we can use tan turns permanently black. Tan 45 degree, this is 45. Now the value of tan 45 is 1. 1 perpendicular by base, perpendicular is BC, base is AB. 1. So this is x by 50 is equal to 1. So x is 50 meter. Now we got the value of x. Now we have to use this greater triangle DBA to find y. So in triangle DBA, tan 60 you have to use, because this total angle, this is the value of theta for that greater triangle. So 15 plus 45, this angle is 60 degree. So tan 60 is √3, turns permanently black. Now perpendicular is DB or BD, and the base is AB is equal to √3. Now perpendicular is x plus y and base is 50. So x plus y by 50 is equal to √3. X is 50, just now we got, plus y is equal to √3 divided by 50. Cross multiplication, 50 plus y is equal to √3 into 50, 50 √3. We need value of y, so y is equal to 50 √3 minus 50. From here you take out 50 common. Inside bracket you will get √3 minus, in place of this write 1. So this is the value of y, 50 √3 minus 1 meter. Now question number 9. In the figure given below, if angle APB is equal to 60 degree. So here diagram is given. We have two right angle triangles. APB, this is given 60 degree. DPC is given 30 degree. That means for this triangle, this is the value of theta, and for this triangle, this is the value of theta. And AB is equal to CD. These two sides are equal. Find the length of AB. So you have to find the length of AB. So here it is already given AB is equal to CD, given in diagram. In triangle BAP, we will use first this triangle BAP. Okay, always this 90 degree you have to write in the middle, this angle A. So BAP, here we will use turns permanently black. And the total is given 50 meter. So I'm taking this side x. Okay, if this is x, this side will be 50 minus x. So this will be 50 minus x. So turns permanently black. Perpendicular is AB and base is AP. Then put value AP, we took x is equal to √3, AB by x is equal to √3, AB is equal to √3x. Now you have to take this another triangle DCP. Again you have to use turns permanently black. Okay, so after using this you'll get this line. Now CP, we have taken 50 minus x is equal to 1 by √3. Now CD and AB are equal. It is already given in question. So the value of AB we can put here. No, we got the value of AB √3x. That value of AB we can put here because AB and CD are equal. Now cross multiplication, √3 into x into √3. √3 into √3, 3x is equal to 50 minus x into 1, 50 minus x. Keep x one side. 3x plus x is equal to 50. 3x plus x is 4x is equal to 50. So x is equal to 50 by 4. Cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 25s are 25 by 2 is the value of x. We need to find the value of AB, and AB is √3x. So in place of x, you just put the value root 3 into 25 by 2. So 25 root 3 by 2 is the value of AB. Now question number 10. In the figure given below, ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle ABC is 90 degree and AB is 6 centimeter. If D is a point on BC produced such that angle ADB is equal to 30 degree, find the length of CD. Here diagram is already given in question, okay, and it is given ABC is 90. ABC is this one, 90 degree, and AB is 6. AB is 6 centimeter. D is a point. When you produce this line BC, you will get D, and ADB is 30 degree. Find the length of CD. You have to find this length. This is question mark. Here we have two right angle triangle. One is ABC, another is ABD. Always you have to consider this line because this is 90 degree here. So ABC and ABD are two triangles. First we will take ABC. Tan 45 degree turns permanently black because we have to deal with this base. So tan 45 is 1, turns permanently black. Perpendicular is AB, base is BC. 1. So AB is given 6 by BC is equal to 1. So BC is equal to 6 centimeter. We got the value of base BC 6 centimeter. Now we will use triangle ABD and we will find this BD. Again in triangle ABD, tan 30 you have to use because value of theta is 30 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Turns permanently black is equal to 1 by root 3. Perpendicular is AB, base is BD is equal to 1 by root 3. AB is given 6, BD is equal to 1 by root 3. Now multiply 6 into root 3. 6 root 3 is equal to BD. So BD is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Now we got this BD. This total is 6 root 3 centimeter. But you have to find this CD. To find this CD, you have to subtract this BC from BD. When you subtract this BC from BD, you will get CD. So CD is equal to BD minus BC. You have to subtract this 6 from 6 root 3 centimeter. So CD is BD minus BC. BD is 6 root 3 and BC is 6. Take 6 common, bracket root 3 minus 1 centimeter. So the value of CD is 6 root 3 minus 1 centimeter.